Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to mark and enter 3 bills on the new Where's George app. This way we can track where our bills go. The only way I can get them to work is to do that launch desk site at the bottom. It'll open the app for you, and the one on the left is the bills you found. The one on the right is new bills you're entering. I'm going to click on that one. Getting nearby locations. Okay, enter a new bill. Click denomination 1, and it's a 2006. Now let's go to the keyboard. Enter the numbers only, no letters. Continue. Now do the letters. This one is an D and ends in an F. Continue. There you are. Your bill entered, the number of it and everything right there. You ready? Click Submit Bill. It's done. Let's enter another bill. Denomination. This is a 2017, no A. Keypad again. Remember, numbers only, no letters. Continue. Need the first letter. It's an L and it ends with a B. Continue. There it is, the number, the serial number, the year. Click Submit. There it is. Let's enter another one. This time I think we're going to do the camera. See if we get the camera to work here, okay? All right, open that box up a little bit and highlight everything, including the letters. Crop it out. Hit the crop. Submit, because there's all the numbers I need right there. There it is, my numbers and letters and everything. Continue. There it is, you got it, see there? Submit the bill. Let's enter another one. Enter another bill. Denomination. It's a $1 bill. This is a 17A. Right there. Camera. Open that box up just a little bit. Crop out on top of the letters. Close the box down. There we go. Crop. Submit, because there's all the numbers I need. There it is. Okay, 85 ends in an A. Continue. There's my numbers, series, everything. Submit the bill. All right, let's return to home screen. How about reports and settings? And let's go see if it got all of our bills in there. It always does, but I like to make sure. Hit the reports, okay. There they are. That's the 4 I entered today. All right, there you go. We'll get some more up here soon. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.